Okay, so today we're going to be doing the Trumpet of the Swan, chapter 7, and then tomorrow you're going to do chapter 8. Okay, today go ahead and get out your yellow notebook and add the following title. These are the vocabulary words for chapter 7 and 8. And you will write these in your notebook, and please leave a space so that you can write down your inferences, finding the words in the text, and then writing down what they mean based on the text around the words. So your 4 words are refuge, solitary, disinclined, and peculiar. So put those in your notebook, leave space, and then as you're reading chapter 7 and 8 with your buddy, today and tomorrow, you're going to be looking for these 4 words. Okay, just remember, guys, that I am going to be checking your notebooks when I return. So make sure that you're doing a good job with this, writing neatly, using the text to infer the meaning of the word. Okay, here are your discussion questions that you're thinking about when you're looking at chapter 7 today, and then tomorrow when you're doing chapter 8. Where do the swans go for the winter? Where does Mr. Beaver why does Mr. Beaver have to call the game warden? Whoops, I left off my E there. Okay, number 3. Who is Mrs. Hammerbotham? What does Lewis learn to do? And number 5, why does the cob go to Billings? Billings is a city. So be thinking of these questions as you are reading. Okay, and so today, first I would like for you to, today with your reading buddy, read chapter 7 only. As you're reading, think about and discuss the questions with your buddy. Remember, you can either read it together, taking turns reading, or if you would like to read silently, you could read silently and then get together with your buddy and talk about the questions that were covered today. And you can also talk about the vocabulary words. And number 3, try to add to your settings and your character pages. Think about the characters that you're studying. Think about the character pages and see if you can add some information. Once you have finished these 3 things, then I want you to keep working on your research topics that we went over yesterday. That's the paper that says, I know, I wonder, and I learn. And remember, the I learn section is the section you're going to be doing your research in Get Epic. So work really hard on those, and then once you get your information, you're going to write your paragraph using a topic sentence, a closing sentence, and some supporting sentences in the middle. Okay, do a great job. I look forward to reading your research topic paragraphs.